Welcome to the personal property tour for 117 Den Walk in Buckhaven. This is a 2-bedroom ground floor apartment, and as you can see immediately, you've got the beauty of off-street parking as well, and a really extensive rear garden, pretty much a blank canvas. This is a personal property tour. If you think this one might be of interest to you, you can click on the link above. You'll get all the details of the property along with the all-important price point. And I'm just going to take you on the tour. So this is the property here, and as you can see, you've got the front garden. So there's still quite a bit of garden space there, but you also have your off-street parking. It's nicely finished on the outside as well, isn't it? Let's just head on in. So it's nicely presented, good finish on the outside. And even though you've got the driveway taken, you still feel like you've got quite a bit of front garden too. But to be honest with you, you've got so much garden to the rear as well. But we'll head on in. So as soon as we come in, you'll see we come into the entrance porch. So plenty of space for offloading your coats and shoes, etc. So that's a bonus with the kids as well, if you've maybe been to the park. And then you come into the hallway. Nice detailing again with the panelling on the hallway. It's a nice space. We're going to start with bedroom number 1, which is just in here. So this is currently utilised as a child's nursery, as you can see. You've got this lovely panelling here as well. Overlooks the rear garden. You'll see that when we go outside. But a nice sized double room. Plenty of space in here. Nice radiators as well. Really good detailing. And then you've got this triple wardrobe here too. So lots of storage space as well. Nice and bright, isn't it? So that is bedroom number 1. We head back out into the hallway. Again, you've got the nice radiators in here as well. We then go into bedroom number 2. Another good double room in here. So plenty of space. The radiator detail. On top of that, you also have double wardrobe and you've got shelving as well. So plenty of space for storage. And this one overlooks the front garden. So again, you can see you've got all that garden space as well as you drive, which is a bonus. But good size double room. Then head back out into the hallway and we're going to head into the bathroom. So as we come into the bathroom, nice tiling finish. You've got your WC, you've got your bath as you can see. You've also got your thermostatic shower with your rainfall shower head. But nice finish in here with the tiling as well. And the bonus with this one is your vanity wash hand basin as well is kind of in the nook, which I think is quite a nice finish. Makes it feel more spacious. So that's your bathroom. We then come into the lounge. So as we come into the lounge, hello Pose, you'll see it's a good size. Nice big window, lots of natural light coming in, overlooking the front garden. You've got the detailing again with the radiators. You've got this fantastic media wall as well, so plenty shelving and storage below as well. But nice views as well to the front. I see you. So lovely garden space. That's the large sofa, and you've still plenty of room in here as well. And then from the lounge you head into the kitchen. Nice flooring, isn't it? And as we come into the kitchen, you've got integrated appliances in here. So you've got your oven, your microwave, you've got your freezer and your fridge. You also have your hob and your extractor. Love the colour, it's really nice. Space for your freestanding. Nice worktop as well. The sink's a nice finish too. I love the subway tiles. You've got additional cabinetry here as well. I love the way that it grooves there. On top of that, you've obviously got a lot of natural light coming in, as you can see. So you've got the window and also you've got the door. And let's head out into the garden space. So as we come out straight into the garden, you can see you've got this really large decked area, which is wonderful. It's a good space. So plenty of room for your bin store. You could have it down there if you wished. You've got this really large storage here as well, which is fabulous, but a great entertaining space. You've got a gate to the side as well that takes you out to the side of the property for your bin access, etc. But on top of that, look at the length of the garden. Really is a great size. So as we come down, you can see you can also access the rear of that as well. So you can put a wee workshop, etc. in there, but again, great for all the kids' things. But as I walk down here, you'll get a sheer idea of the complete length of this garden. It really is a lovely space. And it keeps on going. And as we get to the bottom, you can see just how far away the property is. So it's a nice size, isn't it? Now the sun is coming up here, it's working its way around, so you get the sun most of the day in the garden as well. So it's going to be a lovely bright garden. Pretty much a blank canvas as well, so great opportunity for you to create something else for here if you wished. But the decked area being done as well is a real big bonus. So just to recap for you, this is the personal property tour for 117 Den Walk in Buckhaven. As you've seen, it's a 2-bedroom ground floor apartment. You've got a really functioning kitchen that has all of what you would really need in there. You've got your off-street parking, which is a big, big plus. And you've got this lovely extensive garden as well. Pretty much a blank canvas. If you click on the link, you've got all the details about the property, along with the all-important price point. Location-wise, it is fantastic as well. So you're about a 6-minute drive to Cameron Bridge train station. So that has taken you to Dundee and to Edinburgh City Centre and beyond. On top of that, you've got local amenities here. You're a short walk to the park. You're a couple of minutes drive, you're at the primary school. But if you head to Leven in the opposite direction, again, you're about maybe 8-9 minutes. You've got the high street, so you've got everything that has to offer, the retail park, the swimming pool, the Fife Coastal Path, of course. So if you like running, cycling, walking, that's a great location for doing that. And you've got that beautiful beach there as well. On top of that, if you're into your golf, courses are in abundance as far as choice is concerned. So there's so much to do here as well. But again, you've also got that additional train station there as well. And that also takes you to Edinburgh City Centre and beyond. But just outside your door as well, you're also on the bus links. So again, that's going to take you to the train stations either way, whether it's Cameron Bridge or it is Leven. If you think this one might be of interest to you, you can message me here directly. And likewise, as always, you can reach out to the team and have a chat with them on 01333 421 774. And it's Perry at Fife Properties TV. Take care. Bye bye.